Hi everyone, welcome to Lily's Lyric channel. In this video, we are going to crochet this beautiful rose leaf. These are the materials we need. To make a rose leaf, we need to crochet 3 small leaves, 2 medium leaves, and 2 big leaves. The patterns of the 3 leaves are similar. I will show you how to crochet the medium leaf in the video, and put the patterns of the small and big leaves behind it. First, we need to prepare a piece of 20 centimeter wire. Put it aside. Take out the green yarn. Wrap it around your hand. Let's make a slip knot first. Then, chain 14. This is the foundation chain. Insert hook into the second chain from the hook. Take the wire. Put it on the hook and under the working yarn. I bend the wire down the hook to control it better. Make a single crochet, and the wire is caught by yarn. Half double crochet in the next chain. Then, make 2 double crochet stitches. Wrap yarn around the hook twice, and triple crochet in the next chain. Next, make 2 triple crochet increase stitches, which means you need to make triple crochet twice in one stitch. Triple crochet again in the next chain. After that, make 2 double crochets. And 1 half double crochet. Single crochet in the next chain. Single crochet in the last chain. Pull the loop up and let's adjust the wire. Straighten the lower wire, and bend it in half. Put the hook back and single crochet 2 more times back in the last chain. Then, we'll work down the other side of the foundation chain. This is our next stitch. Single crochet here. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Crochet along with the tail to hide it in stitches. Next, make 2 double crochets. The pattern for this side is symmetrical to the other side. Follow the pattern and finish round 1. At the end of round 1, insert hook into the first stitch, and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 to start round 2. Work back into the first stitch again, and make a single crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 2 again. Repeat the sequence of a single crochet followed by 2 chains for a total of 15 times. After that, we reach the top middle stitch. Make a single crochet. Chain 2. Insert hook under these 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through, and make a slip stitch. This is called a picot stitch. Then, single crochet again back in the same stitch. Next, chain 2, and single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat the sequence for a total of 15 times. At the end of round 2, slip stitch in the first stitch. Fasten it off. Wrap the yarn tail around the wire for 4 or 5 rounds. Finally, clamp the yarn between the 2 wires to secure it. Leave 1 centimeter of yarn and cut off the extra yarn. We finished 1 medium leaf. Follow the pattern and make another medium leaf. Also another 3 small and 2 big leaves. When you finish crocheting all the leaves, we can start assembling them. First, prepare a 25 to 30 centimeter stem. I use the darkest green to wrap the stem. We start from the small leaves. Hold the wire and the stem together. Pinch the yarn with them. Then we start wrapping yarn around the stem and the wire. Attach another 2 small leaves to the stem at an appropriate position. And keep wrapping yarn around the stem. Then attach the 2 medium leaves to the stem. Attach the 2 big leaves to the stem. Wrap yarn around the whole stem. When there is 1 centimeter of stem left, make a knot. Take out the hot melt glue and the lighter. You can also use any other kind of glue. Apply some glue on the stem and wrap yarn around it. Break the extra yarn. We finished 1 rose leaf.